Guys, if you've been looking at how to start affiliate marketing and you want to do it in a way that's beginner friendly and there's no tech setup required, well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a way that you could get up and going with affiliate marketing with no tech required, and that you can easily start making sales and getting up and going without having to worry about any kind of setup. So let's get right into it. What you're looking at right now is a turnkey residual income system where you keep 80% of every dollar that comes back to you. So basically, this is a system that we've created for somebody who's just getting started to understand how to get systems up and going, to be able to build an email list, to be able to follow up with leads, and to be able to make sales without having to set anything up, which is really, really good, because if they come to this page and they put in an email and the email is not a good email, then it's going to block that email. And so you're only going to get good emails into this page right here, right? And you can find this system, below this video. So if you click on the second link below this video, you're going to come to this page. You're going to be able to put your information in here, and it's going to show you exactly what to do with affiliate marketing when you're first getting started and how you can actually build a very nice income with it. So it's going to send you a guide, and in that guide, it's going to have all the information about the system and how to create it, how to get up and going, and how to easily start making money. So that's what the guide's going to tell you. We send out the emails for you, so you don't have to set up any kind of email autoresponder to send out your emails. You don't have to do the follow-up, because we do that part for you. So as soon as you get into the system right here, you can actually start getting leads, and we do the follow-up for you. We help you to get valid emails onto your email list so you can build an email list of real people, and we help you to learn the skills. So, basically in here, I'm going to show you how easy it is. So you come in here and you come into the section. It's an affiliate section. You come down here and you put your link right here. Here's your link right here, and then you can get a domain. And if you click this right here, it's going to come up with very good domains that you would want to do. And then all you do is you hit purchase right there, and then you decide what page you want it to be connected to, and then it's connected, right? So you don't have to do any kind of email setup, any kind of records to set up your email. Like normally when you get started with a system, you have to do DKIM, DMARC, and SPF records, which allow your email to correspond with the funnel builder tool that you're using to be able to build your pages. But you don't even have to do that with this. This is already done for you in a couple clicks of a button. So that's what you do right here. And then you have your tools right here. So what you're going to actually get is it's $35, and with that $35 you get this app right here. It's a goal setting app. It helps you to stay on track. It helps you to be able to have a daily routine, because that is going to help you in your marketing. It's going to help you to get more done during your day. It gives you the funnel builder tool that I build all my pages on, I build my courses on, I build my traffic store on, and we show you how to use the funnel builder tool, right? So you know how to use it. And then I could go into that right here. Here's the page that you're seeing right below this video, directly below this video, and it's very easy to use. So everything is drag and drop. So whenever you're a part of any kind of opportunity, you need a way to build an email list. So you need to send people to a capture page where they put their name and email into a page, and then they see whatever you have to offer. So they'll see a video, they'll see something with you in it, or whatever the offer is, and then they have the option to buy. So there will be a button that they can actually buy something under the video. But first they have to get into your funnel, right? And your funnel is what captures the lead. So that's how that's going to actually work. And then you have pages right here that you can easily have access to. So you go to add new step, add a page, and then we have these very nice pages right here that were professionally done. So this section right here has every kind of page that you need for business, for marketing. If you're building a website, no matter what it is that you're building, you have access to very nice pages. Like these are the pages that you would see inside your funnel to be able to build your email list. So that's what you have access to as soon as you sign up, right? And then you also have access. So I'm gonna show you this as well. So you also have access to how to get traffic. So you get 2 weeks free of this as well when you sign up. So this basically is $35, and you learn all these different methods to get traffic. So there's every single kind of traffic strategy that you could possibly want to know right here. So here's all your methods of traffic. You're going to learn how to follow up with people. You're going to learn how to connect with people. You're going to learn how to do different kinds of things. You're going to learn how to do YouTube marketing, how to get more people to your YouTube videos, how to do Facebook methods, how to do podcasting. There's all different kinds of ways to do marketing, and we have daily hands-on coaching. So you can come on every single day. You can learn what we're doing over the shoulder. We write emails in front of you that serve and sell. We show you how to create video content live. We show you how to rank that video content. Ranking basically means you want to get your videos in the top of YouTube so that way you get traffic and people see your content, right? We show you exactly how to do that and how to put the keywords in there. We show you how to rank it. We show you how to create very nice thumbnails like you've seen when you clicked on this video. We show you how to create your description in your videos. We show you what equipment to use. We show you all that stuff every single day. And then how to connect with people on social media, on platforms like Facebook, right? Because that's going to be very important, right? My favorite methods to get traffic and people to my content and stuff like that is through Facebook and YouTube. So Facebook and YouTube are my favorite ways to actually get people to this, right? So, if you want to get your hands on this system, then go to the description of my video and click on the second link. It's going to take you to this page right here. You can put your information in and you can learn more about this system. But this is the best way to actually, start building a business online, because not only are you going to learn, you could work with people who have all different kinds of businesses, and you could give them the tools that they need to be able to build their business, whatever it is, and you earn from this, right? So it's $35. You get 2 weeks free of coaching, and from that, you're able to make $128 per month per sign up for anybody who uses the tool. So you get 80% of the commissions, right? So it's very powerful in that way. So if you're ready to find out more information, then go and click on the link below this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload new videos. And I have a free Facebook group you can get into. There's going to be a link in the description for that as well. So go and check that out. That's where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. And right now, I'm posting a lot about my daily journey on building my Facebook page and getting monetized and being able to do all that. So you're going to learn all that stuff when you get into my Facebook group. And so make sure you do that. And I also have other links below this video as well for traffic and other things. So if you work with me, I'm going to help you with all those things, and you're going to get support every single day. And I'm somebody who works very, very closely with you. So I'm going to help you with whatever you need as far as marketing goes. And I have some very good resources that will help you to be able to get stuff done a lot quicker than if you were doing it on your own. So make sure you check out those links below this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.